Hey there, friends! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Home and School Chemistry. Today, I'm going to show you how you can discover acids, bases, and salts right at home or in school using a simple litmus test. This is a fantastic way to learn about chemistry in a hands-on and engaging manner. It's super fun and kind of like being a detective in a science lab. You get to uncover the hidden properties of everyday substances. First things first, let's talk about litmus paper. These little strips are the key to our experiment. You can find these handy little strips in any science kit or order them online. They're inexpensive and very easy to use. They change color when they come into contact with an acid or base. Pretty cool, right? This color change is due to a chemical reaction that occurs on the surface of the paper. Now let's start with acids. Acids are substances that have a sour taste and can turn blue litmus paper red. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. This is a simple yet effective way to identify acidic substances. Go ahead and grab some common household items like lemon juice, vinegar, or even soda. These are all examples of acids you can find in your kitchen. Dip a strip of blue litmus paper into each liquid. See that? The paper turns red. This is a clear indication that the liquid is acidic. That's because these are all acidic solutions. The stronger the acid, the more intense the color change. Lemon juice, vinegar, and soda are all examples of acids. They are commonly found in our daily lives and have various uses. Next up, let's explore bases. Bases are substances that feel slippery to the touch and can turn red litmus paper blue. Bases turn red litmus paper blue. This is another simple test to identify basic substances. Grab some baking soda mixed with water, soap, or even window cleaner. These are all common bases you can find around the house. Dip a strip of red litmus paper into each one. Watch closely as the paper changes color. Did you see the color change? It's fascinating to observe the chemical reactions taking place. That's right, it turns blue. This indicates that the solution is basic. These are examples of basic solutions. Bases are often used in cleaning products because they can neutralize acids and break down grease. Alright, we've covered acids and bases. Now let's move on to salts. Now let's talk about salts. Salts are formed when an acid reacts with a base. Salts are a bit different. They usually don't change the color of litmus paper because they are neutral. This is because salts are neutral, meaning they are neither acidic nor basic. You can test salt water or household items like baking soda when it's dry. These substances will not cause a color change in litmus paper. Notice there's no color change? This confirms that the substance is neutral. That's because salts are neutral. So, to recap, let's summarize what we've learned today. Blue litmus paper turning red means it's an acid. Acids are sour and can be found in many household items. Red litmus paper turning blue means it's a base. Bases are slippery and are often used in cleaning products. And no color change? You've got yourself a salt. Salts are neutral and don't change the color of litmus paper. I hope you had fun discovering acids, bases, and salts with me today. It's amazing how much we can learn from simple experiments. Remember to always be safe and wear gloves and goggles when handling any chemicals, even the ones you find at home. Safety first. Make sure to clean up your workspace when you're done. Keeping your area tidy is an important part of any experiment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome science experiments. Your support helps us create more educational content.